Attorney General Jeff Sessions, testifying before the House Judiciary Committee, showed selective recall on the Trump campaign's Russia contacts. Mr. Sessions said he had no reason to doubt these women who have accused the man who wants his old Senate seat, Roy S. Moore, of seeking sexual or romantic favors from them as teenagers. Mr. Sessions was asked about his direction that the department consider a special counsel to investigate Mr. Trump's political opponents, including Hillary Clinton. Mr. Sessions denied that he lied in October when he testified that he knew of nobody in the Trump campaign who had contacts with Russians during the presidential campaign. "And I don't believe it happened," he said. Court records later revealed that Mr. Sessions led a March 2016 meeting in which George Papadopoulos, a campaign aide, discussed his Russian ties and suggested setting up a meeting between Mr. Trump and Vladimir V. Putin, the Russian president. "I had no recollection of this meeting until I saw these news reports," Mr. Sessions said. Mr. Sessions testified Tuesday that was still hazy on the details about what Mr. Papadopoulos had proposed. But on one matter, he said his memory is clear. He said he shut down Mr. Papadopoulos' idea of a Trump-Putin meeting. And he said he told Mr. Papadopoulos that he was not authorized to represent the campaign in such discussions. To sum up, Mr. Sessions said he could not remember much about Russian influence on the Trump campaign, except when he could block such influence. Mr. Sessions told the House Judiciary Committee, "I have no reason to doubt these women who have accused Roy S. Moore of seeking sex or romance with them when they were teenagers." Mr. Moore is seeking to fill the Alabama Senate seat that Mr. Sessions gave up when he was confirmed as Attorney General. And Mr. Sessions remains a popular figure in Alabama. The Attorney General's views matter in his home state. What's more, Republican leaders in Washington are discussing whether Mr. Sessions should launch a write-in campaign to reclaim his seat. If that does not happen and Mr. Moore prevails in the December 12 special election, there is talk of expelling the jurist from the Senate and prevailing on Alabama's governor, Kiv, to appoint Mr. Sessions back to the Senate. Mr. Sessions' appearance before the House Judiciary Committee on Tuesday was really a twofer. There was the hearing on the Trump campaign's contacts with Russia, guided by the committee's Democrats who single-mindedly bored in on the topic. Then there was the hearing on any topic other than Russia orchestrated by the committee's Republicans, which scurried over federal eavesdropping law, rising crime, immigration, and Hillary Clinton. Representative Darrell Issa, Republican of California, summed up the Republican sentiment. "I don't speak Russian and I haven't met with Russians, and I don't really want to talk about that today," he said, before diving into questions about sober living homes. The Democrats were not exclusively concerned with Russia. During his time with the Attorney General, Representative Steve Cohen, Democrat of Tennessee, paused the grilling to ask Mr.